Hi, I'm Brad, a homeowner in Lake Macquarie. I live here with my wife and 3 children. We recently renovated this home, which was my wife's family home where she grew up, so it had a sentimental value, but it needed a major renovation. There's so many things you have to consider and so many decisions, and electrical was important. I wanted to make sure that we had something that we could then build on into the future. Wiser is a smart home solution that builds on the traditional electricals. It's so simple and accessible to anyone. Wiser installer can have a switch converted to a remote automated switch in a matter of moments. Wiser makes family life easier. When it's time for the kids to go to bed, I have a setting that automatically dims the lights in the entranceway and also turns the stairwell lighting on so they can make it to bed safely. In my home office, I have an automated blind system that controls the blind to just the perfect height for what I need to reduce the glare but let in some natural light. One thing that really impressed me with the blinds was how seamless and streamlined they look. You wouldn't know it's automated until you see it magically happen. A smart home to me is a home that works for you. It adds some value and takes care of things so you don't have to think of them yourself. It enables you to concentrate on the important things, spending time with your family and enjoying life.